Okay, the garden is starting to slowly go to sleep now. Just as the autumn's here, French climbing beans dying off, and last of the outdoor tomatoes just coming. Strawberries, picking lettuce, spinach, spring onions. More spinach has just been planted in there. Cos lettuce. Radishes just coming up there. I don't think they're going to do anything. Leeks. A few leeks there. They're leftover plants that were not really great. But the cooking apples though are looking very good. I'll be harvesting them very soon, and I will have these are Bramley apples. I will be cutting them up, freezing them, and use them. I should have a year's supply of stewed apples in the freezer, in the large freezer. Parsnips, got lots of big top on them. Beetroot just coming to an end. Good looking leeks here in this bed. Here. A few outdoor tomatoes just straggling on the ground there that I just left. Another whole bed of parsnips and courgettes, or in American terms zucchini. They're just coming to an end there. Squashes, because we had so little rain, have been very, very poor, but there's a sort of a half decent one there. But apples, on the other hand, very, very good. I've been eating for weeks now apples off this tree, which have almost all gone, but this one now is really full. I tried to have a variety of apples that stagger their different seasons, you know, so they don't all come at the same time. Otherwise, you can only eat so many apples. These on here are russet apples. They have a rough skin which you need to peel, but they're very, very lovely flavour. Plums are all gone now, Victoria's. But the main reason for this video is to show you my secret weapon for no-dig gardening. See there? Huge pile of horse manure. Those on the other side there is last year's pile, which has got the squashes and stuff planted in, and now in preparation for my next year, there it is, absolutely full of horse manure. I'll have a bit of soil on top, a bit of compost on top to make a seed bed, and everything's growing in basically pure horse muck. There's another bed there. Now, my cousin has a horse, and so I get about 15 to 17 bags of horse muck from him about every 10 days to 2 weeks, and one load there will fill that bed. Right? I've got another pile. These tyres and stuff are also full of it. Over there is a pile there which it's in full sun, so therefore my squashes, zucchini, courgette squashes will probably go in that. But I plan, now I'm getting some more pallets, I'm going to put some bigger beds in here. So coming to the end of the season now, but I will be top. See, these have gone down, it's lower, the level's lower because the horse muck is actually rotting down and sinking, so I will top them up and be all ready for next spring. Bags of fertility, secret weapon for no-dig gardening. The reason I have raised beds because I've got rabbits in this garden, so anything, I keep stuff up off the ground so they cannot eat it. One thing I do know, that once they are mature, they don't eat onion family like leeks. They don't eat the leaves of squashes or courgettes or tomatoes. So you're reasonably safe with them if you have rabbits, but anything else, especially lettuces and stuff like that, keep them off the ground. Okay? Thanks for watching.